from UPNA. Okay, today I got a task from my lecturer about relationship, and my main topic is about relationship between human and animals, where I will voice my action or opinion about animal abuse. When we talk about animal abuse, many people think that animal abuse is like a dog with a chains up outside in a cold without food, or a dog fighting where people arise visually attack one another. There are millions of animals who are being abused by people who are not actually intending to do the wrong thing. Animal cruelty is included, but it is not limited abuse, neglect, or missing information, sheer ignorance, or animal experiment. So, there is a lot of good being done to stop animal cruelty, but there are those who are willing to turn a blind eyes to animal experiment when it comes to their cosmetic, or they will find the other way when they saw an animal abuse. We have been surprised a video about animal abuse or torture of animals. This video was surprised in our social media like FB, Instagram, WhatsApp, or anything else. Today I will share with you this video, and I will give my comment about this video. Okay, right now I will show this video to you. Okay, stay tuned. If you can see, the branch of pig was in the big hole, and there was splashed by a petrol. Then they were burned alive. So pretty for them. Yeah, we can see that they was like baked in the couch and suffering from pain. Yeah, you can hear that. Yes. I feel wanna cry. So pretty for them. Yeah, from this video that we can imagine like our body was burned while you are still alive. Then after that you were they continue bury you, and they are still alive and cry for pain. Yeah, so pity for them. As my conclusion from this video, please stop abetting animals. They are also have their right to live as usual as us. As a human beings, why do we make such a case against them? They are also creatures created by God like us. It is true that our religion, Islam, prohibits us to touch a pig, but we also have to treat them like we treat another animals like kitten, puppies, or every single of animals. In my opinion, the men who did the things against them actually are more abusive than the innocent animals. Please, once again, love animals, spread love, stop torture.